సో ఇంత ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ని ఇంత యాంటిసిపేషన్ని తీసుకొచ్చినటువంటి ఈ క్యారెక్టర్స్ మన జీవితంలో ఒక భాగం అయిపోయాయి. నా మటుకు నన్ను అడిగితే నేను క్యాప్టెన్ మార్వెల్లా ఫీల్ అవుతుంటాను. ఎక్కడో ఆ ఎనర్జీ వచ్చేసినంత ఫీలింగ్ అనమాట. వెల్, మరి ఆ తర్వాత ఏంటి అన్నది మనం ఇప్పుడు యాంగ్షియస్గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నటువంటి సినిమా. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ మీకు గుర్తుందనుకుంటా, అవెంజర్స్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ వార్ రిలీజ్ అయినప్పుడు ప్రపంచంలోనే అసలు హాలీవుడ్లో నంబర్ 1 గ్రాసర్గా నిలిచినటువంటి సినిమా మన భారతదేశంలో. అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఎమోషనలీ చాలా డిసప్పాయింట్ అయిపోయాం ఆ సినిమా తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది, ఆ థానోస్ వచ్చి కంప్లీట్గా వైప్ ఆఫ్ చేసేసాడు పాపులేషన్ని అని. వెల్, ఇప్పుడు ఇట్స్ టైమ్ ఫర్ అవెంజర్స్ ఎండ్ గేమ్. మరి ఈ సినిమాలో 6 మన సూపర్ అవెంజర్స్ వచ్చి ఆ ఫైనల్ స్టాండ్ ఏం తీసుకుంటారు, థానోస్ని ఏం చేస్తారు అన్న ఎక్సైట్మెంట్తో అందరూ ఉన్నారు. అంటే ఏమాత్రం అతిశయోక్తి కాదు. ఇంత భారీ గ్రాసర్గా నిలవడం కాదు, తెలుగువారు అభిమానంగా చూసేటటువంటి అవెంజర్స్ ఎండ్ గేమ్లోని వాయిస్ కాస్ట్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్, అలాగే మార్వెల్ యాంథమ్ లాంచ్ కార్యక్రమానికి విచ్చేసిన అందరికీ స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. వెల్, ఇక ఎటువంటి ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా, లేడీస్ అండ్ జెంటిల్మెన్, మే ఐ నౌ ఇన్వైట్ మిస్టర్ బిక్రమ్ దుగ్గల్, Head of Studios, Marvel India, to kindly grace the stage and speak a few words on this occasion.
Hello. Hello and welcome to all the members of the press and the media. I'm really excited to be here. Specifically so because of the love that Marvel and Avengers, the franchise, has seen from across the country, but so much so from South India and so much from AP. So much from Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Rajamundry. Last time we released the film Avengers Infinity War, it did extremely well in whole of AP. And we are seeing that the characters are being received so well, as the presenter was saying. It is right from the first time we released Iron Man 1 in 2008, the fandom across the country, the number of fans that we have seen have gradually grown to the 22nd movie that we are going to release. The last film that we released just last month was Captain Marvel. Again, it was received very well. It was the first female superhero film that was released by Marvel. It was done really well in AP. And we're really excited about it, and that's why we wanted to come here, meet all of you, and talk a little bit about Marvel and why we think it has done so well. One of the reasons about Marvel is the fact that it is full of superheroes and characters. But I think the reason it's done so well is that it is based on universal themes of heroism, of friendship, of good versus evil. And that appeals a lot to fans around the world, around the country, and even in South India and in AP. So we're really excited that that has happened. But one of the other reasons we believe that the film has done so well in, let's say, a state like AP or in Tamil Nadu is because we take utmost care in converting and transcribing these films into the local language for fans. We want fans to enjoy these films in the language that they enjoy. So all our films are actually released in Telugu as well. And that's what's going to happen with Endgame. That's what happened with Infinity War. To give you a little nugget, 50% of all footfalls for Infinity War, Avengers Infinity War, which was the biggest Hollywood film ever released in India, 50% of the footfalls came from languages. So that just goes to show how many fans want to enjoy these films in their own languages, and that is a key thrust for us. That's very important to us.
Absolutely. Yeah. Vikram, a couple of questions.
Sure.
So tell us, our favorite actor, why Rana for Thanos character? Why did you think of him for the voice, and that's for the second time?
Yes. I think Rana was always a first choice for playing Thanos. If everybody's seen Avengers Infinity War, you would have seen how, what a personality Thanos is, how strong a personality he is, what menacing character he is. He's just snapped his finger and wiped away all the characters. We wanted a personality who could portray the same personality as Thanos, could come across as a really strong voice, could come across and carry off for audiences to believe that the person giving the voice is actually believable as Thanos. and there was no one better than Rana to do it. He was the choice, and he was received extremely well in Avengers Infinity War. The Telugu version did really well, and we are hoping that the Telugu version for the film Avengers Endgame, which releases on 26th April, will do even better.
Absolutely. So tell us why dubbing this movie is so important.
So I was saying, there are millions and millions of fans of Marvel. Marvel is actually no longer just a Hollywood film being released in English. If you talk to any common man on the road, a young person, a school kid, he would have seen a Marvel movie either in theaters or on TV. And it has become a pop culture phenomenon. It is no longer just a Hollywood film. So it is important when it has become such a big part of people's lives that we are able to present it to fans. And there are huge fans who can narrate all the stories backwards with all the characters. So it's important that they can enjoy these films in the language of their choice, right? Hence, dubbing is so important. It is so important we get the writers who can write it, the best writers in the industry, the best actors who can give voice for it. It's all because the fans can enjoy it in the language that they prefer.
Well, coming to the trailer, tell us something about the Telugu trailer.
Again, it stems from the fact that all the fans and people should be able to enjoy the movie in the language that they prefer. So we have taken utmost care, and that's one of the reasons we have not released the Telugu trailer till today. We wanted to come here, be amongst fans and friends and media people to introduce this. We remember how Infinity War ended with Thanos snapping his finger, and half of the superheroes in the universe is actually finished. So what happens now? The fractured legion of Avengers wants to have one more stand, and we want to see if they can stand up and do something.
You're watching this on Mirror TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Please watch and subscribe to Mirror channel.
You're watching this on Mirror TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.
You're watching this on Mirror TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.
You're watching me on Mirror TV. Please do like and subscribe this.
Please subscribe Mirror TV. Thank you.
And I request all of you to subscribe Mirror TV.
Please subscribe to Mirror TV. Thank you.
Please subscribe Mirror TV.
Please subscribe Mirror channel.
Please subscribe to Mirror TV.